Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic scanner. Let's check what has happened since the last week. In the last week analysis, I have mentioned about two symbols that has been formed, bad patterns that has been formed on two different symbols. First one was, let's take a look here on the previous video. First one was here on the US dollar against Japanese yen, and we'll see how the price has behaved. Second one was on the New Zealand dollar against HKD, and that was on the 4-hour time frame, where we had a bearish bad pattern formed right here. So these two bad patterns has been detected in the previous week with a Harmonic scanner, and I have analyzed them in the previous week analysis to see with higher potential to be a successful bad pattern. Now let's take a look how the prices behaved on these two symbols and also bad patterns. First of all is New Zealand dollar against HKD. This is the one, and this is the bearish bad pattern that has been formed. Now we can take a look here. After I have made analysis where the price was reaching a potential reversal zone, I have made a technical analysis with increased the chances that this bad pattern could be successful. We can see that this pattern has been successful because the price has reached the first take profit and the second take profit. So we can see that how the technical analysis together with Harmonic scanner, when you receive information about formed pattern, in this case it was a bad pattern, you can also make a successful trade. Now let's take a look on the second one. The second one was the US dollar against Japanese yen. It was a bullish bad pattern that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame, where the potential reversal zone is here. So we can see that the price for the whole week did not manage to go outside of this potential reversal zone. There was an attempt to go further rise in value, but the price returned back down. So this bullish bad pattern is still valid and is still in the game. The price did not reach the stop loss. So I will leave this one for the next week analysis to see how the price will behave. But just to return to the previous one, we can see that 3.65 was risk to reward ratio, which is a very good one. So if you have traded this one and if you have taken the profit, in this case, if you have also used this one as a second trade and this one goes in minus, if you have proper risk management, then this means you will be still profitable with these two trades. One successful gives you a great profit and one loss will give you a small loss. So in the end, when you add those two, you get in the profit. Now let's turn further on how to use this Harmonic scanner. First of all, this is the chart where you can also make the technical analysis with a visible pattern on the chart. If I click this one here and I activate, this one, I'll reload the whole page. You'll see how this looks. All the patterns that has been formed on this US dollar against Japanese yen on this time frame, which is a 4-hour time frame, we can see that here all the patterns that are currently available are visible on the chart, and we can see that with the different colors. Each pattern has different color. For example, bad pattern has green color. Then we have a crab pattern, which is orange. Then we have a butterfly, which is also brown orange. Then you have a Gartley, which is a blue one, and you have a Cypher, which one is this? Purple. And then if you would like to see only one of these, simply click show or hide and you will remove all others. If you would like to remove all of these patterns from the chart to have a clean chart, then you click this one, show or hide all of them. You have technical indicator which shows you a buy. You can see these information right here. You have a trend which is a week, and also you have here information how to use these information in your favor. Whenever you open this one small window, you will have potential reversal zone. This is the area, which is a gray area here, where is a good area to enter the trade. Then you have a target 1, target 2. These are the green lines. First one is the first target, second target, and you have a red line, a stop loss, which is just above this area or potential reversal zone. Then you have also a risk to reward ratio. This is the ratio from the entry level to the stop loss compared to the entry level to the second take profit. And then You have here a monitor tab where you can have much more clear information about the statistics. For example, here inside the settings, on the upper side, you have ability to select which settings you would like to have. In my case, I have selected complete. You have incomplete and mature or all. Feel free to check YouTube channel where I have explained more information about this one. Then you have a time frame. I have selected only 4-hour time frame and a daily time frame. If you would like to use more of them, simply click on them, and here inside the time frame column, you will have populated all other time frames if there is a symbol on them. If you would like to remove all of these, simply click on them and leave only those that you would like to have. Then you have asset classes, only Forex, and here you have more patterns. I have selected only bet pattern, which is visible here in this column. I only have bet pattern because I would like to reuse only the bet pattern. If you would like to add more of them, simply click on them and you will see how they populate here inside this column. I will remove this. Okay. And then we have a security where you can select in more detail which symbols you would like. You have a major, you have a minor, an exotic, you have bonds, indices, commodities, metal, and so on and so on. So you can add them more if you would like, and as soon as you select them, they are populated right here. So in this table you have a symbol, you have a green arrow which is a bullish pattern, you have a red arrow which is a bearish bet pattern, you have a pattern listed here because I have selected only bet pattern. We can see only bet pattern listed. We have a time frame which is a daily or 4-hour time frame because I have selected them inside the settings. I would like to have only 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. Then we have a status, which means is there a successful, failed, or a complete. Let's check. We have also complete. A complete means this pattern is still valid for trading. So this means the price did not reach take profit to or stop loss. It's still in the game. When you have a failed, this means that this pattern has already closed as a failed one, which means the price has gone from the entry level to the stop loss, did not reach the take profit. And the successful one is the one that has reached take profit first from the entry level. So we can see the price has a potential reversal zone, which is the entry area here, and it has reached take profit to, did not go to the stop loss. So these are the 3 levels that you currently have here, and you have a date when they have appeared. Additionally, you have a risk to reward ratio if you would like to make some kind of analysis which risk to reward ratio is higher, lower, and so on. Then you have a notification here. A notification window is the area where the Harmonic SAP scanner populates the data based on the settings you have selected. This is also some kind of a filter to select which time frame, which pattern type, and on which symbol you would like to receive notification on the Telegram. So if you activate Telegram bot on your mobile phone, on your smartphone, you can receive notification when these pattern has been detected on a Harmonic SAP scanner. So you receive notification with a link. When you click on the link, you get here a chart open with this pattern visible with the data for that pattern, and you can make the analysis just to confirm is this pattern in line with your analysis. For example, whenever I make the analysis, first of all I will check is the pattern in line with the trend. So if the price is going down and the price forms a bearish pattern, which in this case is not, it is a bullish one, then I continue to make the analysis. In this case it is a bullish pattern which is against the trend, so I skip this one. If you have any other filter that you would like to use in picking which pattern is good, you can use that, and especially you should make that the analysis statistics to see what works, what not. After that, you can also see inside this notification window more details. What is a bullish or bearish pattern? What is the pattern? What is the time frame? What is the entry level? What is the take profit to? What is the stop loss? And what is the risk reward ratio and the time when the pattern has been completed. So feel free to check. You have also a free trial to check all these information that you have with the Harmonic SAP scanner, all these tools for making the analysis, to picking which one is good, which one is not, to make the test which patterns are good for you, for example, you have more inside the settings, you will have much more patterns to pick, because I'm only using that pattern. If you would like to also stick to only to one, feel free to use that as you wish, and also use this tool as much as possible. If you have any questions regarding the tool, how to use Harmonic SEP Scanner, feel free to reach to me over email or joining the Telegram or on the Facebook. Feel free to check and also send me a question. I will try to answer as soon as possible to help you to utilize this one. So for now, I'm still watching how the US dollar against Japanese yen will close on the 4-hour time frame, to see will it be successful as this one was in this case. And then after that, I also watch when I receive notification on my Telegram, is there any kind of these patterns that are in line with the technical analysis? And if there is, I also share that inside the Telegram for the gold members, so they are also informed how to make the analysis and also what I'm expecting, which one of these patterns is successful. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.